So the hatches are pretty much done now. What I did to them is that I did 2 coats of fiberglass, one with the fiberglass mat and one with a sewn fiberglass mat, and then I painted it 2 times with a top coat paint. So this is the result. I'm quite pleased how they turned out. They're just a bit uneven at some places, but so were the old ones. So I don't find it as a problem. So there's still one face left. I'm gonna paint it one more time with a matching color with the roof, so there will be matching stuff then. And then I think these are pretty much done. I still have to impregnate the wood and with oil and then varnish it, but I will do that at the same time as I'm gonna do the rest of the boat. So these are pretty much done, and now I can move into the normal springtime renovation stuff, like varnishing and painting all the necessary parts of the boat and stuff like that. So thanks for watching, subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time. Bye.